Good morning, student. Please, all of you, open your book. Page number 5.64. Question number 11. All of you, open your book. Page number 5.64. Question number 11. Who have the old book? They will match the question. Generalize the following transaction paid into bank for opening a current account. So when you will open a current account, you will deposit the cash into the bank. So for this, you will pass the entry bank account debit to cash account. So you will pass the entry bank account debit to cash account. Date is given 1st January. Next amount is given 10,000. Next is January 3rd. 3rd January. Goods sold for 50,000 and the amount was deposited into bank. Now you got sold and same day cash deposited into the bank. So bank will be receiver. So bank account debit to sales account. Amount will be 50,000. Next one, amount withdraw from the bank. When you will withdraw the cash from the bank, cash will come in. So cash account debit to bank account. Cash withdraw from the bank 20,000. Cash withdraw from the bank 20,000. Goods sold for cash. So date is given 10 January. Cash account debit to sales account. Goods sold for the cash. Old concept this one. 15,000. Next one, amount deposited into bank. So again bank account debit to cash account. Amount deposited into bank 12,000. Goods purchased and payment made by check. 14 January. Goods purchased and payment made by check. Purchase account debit to bank account. Any payment made by check, you will always credit it the bank account. So purchase account debit to bank account 25,000. Now all of you see the question number 13. Page number 5.66. Question number 13, pass journal entry for the following transactions. Provide depreciation on furniture 500, on machine 2000. So for depreciation account debit, to assess name is the furniture and machine, so to furniture account, and to machinery account. Depreciation on furniture, that is the 500, and machine 2000. Overall 2500. Second point is received cash 1000 for bad debts written off last year. So cash account debit. To bad debts recover account, it is received, so it is the income, amount is 1000. Next point, Ajay Singh was declared bankrupt. He owed 2500 to us. Nothing could be recovered from his estate. So all amount is the bad debts. So bad debts account debit to Ajay Singh. And amount of bad debts, that is 2500. $20,000 for wages and 4,000 for salary are outstanding. So wages account debit to outstanding wages account, and for the salary account debit to outstanding salary account. You will pass two separate entry for this, that will be better one. 20,000 for wages and 4,000 for salary. Next topic is purchased furniture for 6,000 for the proprietor and paid the amount by check. This is the furniture for proprietor. So this is called personal use or drawing. So drawing account will be debit. To cash account, payment made by check. So any payment made by check, bank account will be credited. So drawing account debit to bank account. This is the 6,000. Provide 9% interest on capital. So interest on capital account debit to capital account. that amount is the 9%, 2 lakhs into 9%, this is 18,000. Provide interest on drawing. So drawing account debit to interest on drawing. And interest on drawing amount is given, that is 1,000. So like such you will pass the entry. Narration you will write compulsory. If I will write the narration also, it will be video, time will be too much more. So I have not written, but you will write sure the narration also of each entry. Thank you, student.